What's going on, Pyros? Demon Beast Pyrotechnics coming to you with another demo video. Bringing in some loud ones tonight. And if you like fireworks year round, which we post every week, please hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It helps us show up in the YouTube feed. In tonight's demo, we got the all-unpopular Jiminy crickets. So we're going to wait till it gets dark here. Yes, she's kind of a little tube, but they don't go very high, like a foot, 2 feet out of the tube. Just light it, throw it on the ground like a firecracker. So they are mini salutes, and they are banners. So let's let the sun go down here, and we will do a demo of Jiminy crickets. And here we go with Jiminy crickets demo.